Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we're gonna do 10 tricks that you can learn after you know how to ollie. So 10 tricks that will set the foundation and help you learn all the other really hard tricks. So if you want to learn how to big spin, if you want to learn how to tray flip, then this is the place to start. And if you don't know how to ollie just yet, then check out this playlist of short tutorials that I have, and hopefully that'll get you the feeling for the motion and understanding and visualizing what a good ollie should look like. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, the first trick we have is called Pop Shuv-it, and this is probably one of the first tricks that you'll learn on a skateboard, and the way to do it is to pop and scoop the board up into your front foot, let the board do a 180-degree rotation under you, and then to plant your feet back on top of the board. Of course, it's much easier said than done, but this is one of those tricks that can just look super cool if you have them really nice, and it can just be one of those really solid basic tricks. And when learning this trick, it can also transition into varial kickflips and tray flips, so I recommend getting this one as good as you can because it really helps with that front foot catch on a lot of the harder tricks. So practice it, don't give up, and you got it. Alright guys, the next trick we have is called the Frontside 180, and this is another one of those really easy tricks that you can get after you learn how to ollie. And the way to do it is to treat it like an ollie, but this time swing your shoulders first and use your shoulders to swing your body around, and then your hips and feet will follow. Another note is to use your hips and your feet to kind of scoop the board around with you. So if you need to like dig your heel into the pocket to scoop the board around, and then whip your hips and your front foot to plant down and let your back foot follow. And that's just the way that I kind of think about it, so hopefully that helps you out. But this trick will also transition into cool tricks like frontside flips, frontside big spins, and even just a nice frontside 180 down gaps just looks really cool. So give it a try, get really good at this one, and yeah. Alright guys, next trick we have is called the backside 180, and this is usually the harder 180 for most people, and the way to do it is basically the same as a front 180, but the only difference is that you're turning the backside direction instead. And that just means swing your shoulders first, let your hips and feet follow, and scoop the board around with you. Another way I like to think about this trick is to pop it kind of like a sideways ollie. So turn your body first, start turning your body first, and then pop your ollie, and then just follow all the way through. And this trick is really cool if you get them really clean, especially since they're known as the harder 180, and they transition into cool tricks like backside flips, backside big spins, and a lot of those other really cool backside tricks. So give it a try, keep practicing, don't give up, and you guys will get it. Alright guys, the next trick we have is called the Frontside Pop Shuv-it, and this is actually one of my favorite tricks to do, and it's basically the same as a regular Pop Shuv-it, but instead you're popping the board front side, so kind of in front of you. And this is one of those tricks that just looks super cool if you have them really nice, and it's one of those tricks that you see a lot of the good skaters do because they're not the basic regular Pop Shuv-its or a basic ollie or 180. It's one of those tricks that kind of take a little bit more practice and a little bit more training to get, but this is one of my favorite tricks. Highly recommend you get these down. These tricks transition into varial Heelflips, which is another really cool trick, and hard flips, which is also another really cool trick. So give it a try, keep practicing, don't give up, and you guys will get it. Alright guys, the next trick we have is called the Fakie Ollie, and if you can do an ollie in your regular stance, rolling in a regular direction, then you can definitely do them while riding backwards. So just push yourself off of a wall, push yourself off of your friend or something, and then just try to do an ollie. And generally, it'll actually be a lot easier because when you pop, you're actually popping in the same direction that you're rolling in. So it'll be easier to pop, and it'll also be easier to slide your foot and to stay right on top of it. So give it a try. It's actually a lot easier than you think, and Fakie Ollies can just be really cool, especially if you have them really clean. So yeah. Alright guys, you guessed it. The next 4 tricks that we have are basically the same tricks that we just learned, but in the Fakie Stance. So your Fakie Pop Shuv-it, your Fakie Frontside Pop Shuv-it, your Fakie Backside 180, and your Fakie Frontside 180. And generally, all 4 of those tricks should be a lot easier in the Fakie Stance. So if you can do them rolling in your regular stance, then doing them Fakie will be so much easier. And if you can't do them in your rolling regular stance yet, then try doing them fakie, and maybe it'll help you understand learning how to do them a whole lot easier. So that's 4 different tricks that you guys can try if you already know, or if you don't already know how to do the first 4 tricks that we just learned. So give that a try, keep practicing, don't give up, and yeah. Alright guys, and the last trick that I have for you is either kickflips or heel flips, and I recommend just sticking to one at first because it'd be a whole lot easier to figure one out than trying to learn them both at the same time. You'll probably dial it in a whole lot faster just sticking to one and then learning the other one later. So that's just what I recommend. I went the kickflip route, so I started to learn how to kickflip first, and then kickflips transitioned me into varial kickflips, tray flips, backside flips, all the other kickflip tricks, you get it. But if you go the heel flip route, you can also learn other cool heel flip tricks like varial heel flips. You can learn laser flips, frontside heel flips, backside heel flips. So pick your poison, doesn't matter which way you go. I just decided to go the kickflip route. I thought the kickflip tricks look cooler, but that doesn't mean you can't learn the other set of tricks later. It just takes more time. Again, you know, you have to learn heel flips first, and then, you know, yada yada yada. So yeah, pick your poison, choose whatever you feel is more comfortable, whatever you want to learn how to do first, and whatever tricks inspire you. So yeah, kick flips or heel flips, pick. Alright guys, that's 10 tricks that you can learn after you know how to ollie, but I want to give you guys 2 more tricks just because I love you guys so much, and you guys should definitely be able to do these tricks if you're pretty comfortable on your board and if you can do any of the tricks that we've mentioned in this video. So the first trick that I have for you is called the Fakie Bigspin, and this trick is really easy if you have your Fakie 180s down and your Fakie Shove-its. And if you have both those tricks down, then all you have to do is just combine them and just kind of make it into one fluid motion. You don't even really have to pop this trick. All you have to do is kind of just scoop it, turn your body, follow all the way through, and it looks cool, super easy. And if you get them really clean, of course you already know they look super nice. So give it a try, super easy trick. Bonus trick right there for you guys. And the second bonus trick that I have for you guys is the Nollie Shuv-it, and this is another one of those tricks that is just super easy to land, and it's basically the same thing as a Fakie Shove-it, but instead you're rolling in the Nollie stance. So if you can get comfortable rolling Nollie, if you can get comfortable scooping with your front foot rather than your back foot, then you should be able to land this trick no problem, and it should be a super easy trick for you. So give it a try, and you can definitely slide this trick into a game of skate with some of your friends, and maybe they won't even have thought about trying this trick, or maybe they've never done it before, and you can usually get them on a letter if they don't even think about it. So give it a try, super easy, and yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. There's more than 10 tricks that you can learn after you learn how to ollie, and if you can get good at all of these tricks, then you will be respected as a pretty decent skater. And if you can get them all really clean, then it'll be so much easier to do them down gaps or onto ledges or onto obstacles or over obstacles and things like that. So build the foundations, get really good at all of these tricks, and it'll make you a really good skater. It'll set the foundations for all the other hard tricks that you learn, whether you want to learn how to tray flip or do some crazy flip tricks, or if you want to learn how to skate down gaps and learn how to hit handrails and, you know, hit ledges and stuff like that. So depends on which direction that you want to go. But if you can set the foundation here with all of these tricks, then it'll take you to the sky, it'll take you to the moon, it'll take you wherever that you want to go. So get really good at these, practice these a lot, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to drop me a like if you learned something. Subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. So till next time, peace out.